Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show off this Adopt Me trade scam script. The script will be in the description. I'm going to be scamming with this shadow dragon. The first step is to wait 1 minute, so I will speed this part of the video up until it has been a minute. Okay, I think it has been about 1 minute now, so I will go and find a player to try the trade scam on. Let's see if anyone here has any good pets we can scam. I think the best pet here is a bat dragon, so I will test the trade scam script on this person. I will add in my shadow dragon and accept the trade. Let's accept the trade and see if this guy is dumb enough to lose his bat dragon. Now we just have to wait for him to confirm the trade, and then we will take our shadow dragon out. Lol, that was the easiest bat dragon ever. Let's see if he realized they didn't get my shadow dragon. Bro, he is checking his trade history now. Remember, if it does not work, then try all the steps again, because it doesn't work every time. The script is free and will be linked in the video description.